The girls are going to a Boogie Bugs dancing mommy-daughter plaything. Fun. Are you ready to boogie? You are? Boogie, you ready to boogie? I want to go, I can't go though. I have a little meeting that you guys are coming with me. Hopefully Caitlin will take some video of the... Alright, I've never parked in a big mall before, but this is like Metrotown or Pacific Center, but just bikes. It's crazy. Tons of bikes, just bikes. Holy. Rows and rows of bikes. I gotta pay attention where I am so I can find it. I might have to watch this video. One big giant maze. I was in the mall section, now I'm going to the hotel section. Let's do this. Alright, that was a really good meeting, very productive. Check out this hotel lobby, swanky. Bike now and meet up with Caitlin. Look at these apartments, holy crap, what a complex. I'm at Royal City right now. I'm meeting up with Caitlin and Kai. Okay, I was in the wrong end, but I found it now, so we're good. All day, I'm starving. Look at all these snacks. Gotta have a croissant. If I see a croissant, I gotta have it. You know me. I'm thinking about this thing here. Sausage sandwich donut on a stick. Sausage sandwich donut. Yeah, it's happening. Alright. should be enough to satisfy someone who hasn't eaten all day and rode across the city. You recommending that?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, girl. Caitlin recommendation, always listen to your wife.
Always.
Look at this. Croissant, croque madame, deep fried croque madame, sausage and a donut. Let's get it. Starting off with this deep fried monstrosity right here. Ham, chicken, some jam in there, and like a little sweet breading that they fry in. It's pretty good. I like it. It's kind of weird, you know what I mean? But like, I'll eat this up at 3 a.m. if you make me one for sure. Could be a little hotter, that's the only thing. A little croque madame. For those of you who don't know what a croque madame is, it's a ham and cheese sandwich with a little bechamel on top that they like make really melty.
Isn't that yeah. Actually, the last time that
this one is delicious. They use like a sweet bread or something, and it really adds another dimension to it that I love. The sweetness to all that savory. Apparently, there's sausage inside of this donut. Had to get it. Had to get it. Expecting out of that is exactly a hot dog with a donut around it. There's nothing more to say about that. I'm gonna eat it all though, don't worry. Croissants, I love my croissants.
Have you tried the bread from here?
Feels like more like a, you know, I already can tell it's not gonna be top notch because it's not flaky, it's more doughy, but not really good at all. I'm a croissant snob. This is a pack. This tastes like, you know the 6-pack you get at Safeway for like $3.99 or whatever? This is what this tastes like. This is a pass. The other stuff, not great, but they're funky and cool. This, no. Donut hot dog is my favorite thing. It is. It just turned out to be my favorite. That monstrosity of a snack plus my coffee, 156 thou. Not bad. Look at that, Vietnamese people still keeping Kappa in business. This is like a total Western mall. There's nothing Vietnam about this. It's crazy, it's really nice. Hitting up this hole in the wall that Caitlin found. Spidey senses, you gotta trust it. Got some rau muong sao right here, which is sauteed spinach. Done really well. It's not like overcooked, so it's still got that crunch to it. It's really easy to overcook the rau muong, but I really like the flavor of this. Good amount of garlic too. Could use a little bit more garlic. It could always use a little more garlic, but I like it.
Got a little bit of egg fried rice here. And some Vietnamese spring rolls, also known as nam.
Some pork, winter mushrooms, carrots in there. Crispy, so crispy, so good. The meat, everything inside is the filling, well seasoned. Fish sauce, they just whipped it up fresh, really good. I like this place. Hole in the wall, it's a hit so far. Try some of this egg fried rice here. There's some fried shallots in there, some green onions. Yeah. I love the sweetness that the fried shallots add to it, and you know it's like fried really well because you taste that smokiness from the wok. That's just like how you know you get a good fried rice. It's dry, it's not like too wet or anything like that. So good. Let's try this ball out. Even before trying it, I'm like, where's the charring on it? It's okay. A little subpar. It's not the best I ever had. Definitely not the best I ever had. The meat sausage has to be like way tighter. It's not tight in there at all. You can see the wrapper hasn't been like, it's gotta be like a black color, right? Like char grilled and everything. This one is almost feels like it's a little too wet, a little too watery. So maybe it's like cooked in a pan or something. I don't know. It's not accurate. Flavor is okay. Flavor is okay, but they're small ones. Super unassuming little spot, hole in the wall. Food was really good. We're definitely gonna be back here. All that was $295. She thought mom was organizing her closet, so she would help organize dad's closet. Oh, did you pull all my shorts out and everything? Thanks, baby. So cute. Gap, send this girl some money. Send this girl some money. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Tune in tomorrow. She's got her demo, so wish her luck in the comments. Maybe we'll read it before she does it in the morning. And yeah, where are we going? I got a teaching job tomorrow. I'll take you with me. For you guys only.